abantu okwesharinga kandi bakashisha ibintu byinji omwishomereri RCC oworembo rwa Mbarara Lieutenant Kano James Mwesige akahandikira kamishana wa patriotism omwihanga okubasa kuba natendeka beji okukunda ihanga ryabo n'ekigenderwa eco kuhindura ibitekateko byabo,
because they had a strike previously and we were officially invited by the RCC of Mbarara City and the head teacher.
Abeji abarukika 16 batendekirwe mu bintu bitari mwe na bimwe nk'uko umuntu yakubasa kwerinda okukunda ihanga otireho n'ebyafayo bya Uganda ng'umuringo gumwe ogukombeka ebitekateko byabo.
Therefore, we have trained 1,600 students from Mbarara School, and we believe that after here there are going to be changed students who are going to value the reason they are in school, who are going to value the community, who are going to be hardworking, and shall not hear any more strikes in this school.
Okurjira aharkano Justice Rukundo oyebembiro kutendeka bejaba nashobora ari kugira ngo batendekirwe kurungi kandi ayino buhame ari kugira ngo nibija kuhindura cyangwa hihanga,
including life survival skills for the last days, and this is what they presented today, that they can move together under one command. They even had a social gala where they showcased our unity in diversity. Indeed, as a training team, we are convinced that the objectives of the course were met.
Helen Seku we yahamya ari kugira ngo omuntu kwarukunda ihanga rye takabasa kwejumbero mbahagaro ng'obushomankuzi obucumbagizi ihanga bwashesha bwira.
One great writer and the late Nelson Mandela, in his book Long Walk to Freedom on page 105, he made a quotation that hatred is unnatural, but people hate. What about love, which is natural? It means love that is natural can be taught. That's why we brought up patriotism. Patriotism is for every man, every human being, as long as you're living. It's our duty as Ugandans to love our country, to be proud of it, to be loyal and sacrifice for this country, and to love ourselves as Ugandans. And East Africa, we have got 6 loves in patriotism. The first love is to love Uganda. The second love is love East Africa. You know, when you're a big force, you have big bargaining power. These countries shall not manage us Ugandans when we bring up these young people with the natural love in them to love our country, Africa, East Africa, love the environment. We're also going to carry out a tree planting campaign all over the country.
Okurjira aharseku nashobora kugira ngo buri muntu nayetenga okushomesebwa okuhindura mbitekateko bye ekiyayita patriotism atiyo nko kuraganisa kuni hija kubaho no kutendeka abakora b'amashomero gona omuri burengero rw'izoba.
His Excellency the President guided that this training should go in each and every school, every secondary school. But we are not going to stop only on secondary schools. We are going to the universities. We are going to all other institutions of learning. And besides, we have been taking head teachers of different regions to Changwanzi. It was only Western Uganda remaining. Hence, from 21st January to 3rd Feb 2024, all secondary head teachers from Western Uganda are going to undergo a training for 16 days in Changwanzi.
Ebyo bikiriyaho Honorable Minister Peter Ogwang wajukira Minister w'by'ubwegese hamwe n'eby'emizano Mama Janet Kataha Museveni ahamukoro yahigabeji hamwe n'eminyeto yona omwihanga okutaho umutima ahabuhabuzi bw'abebembezi.
Bring people together across divides of religion, ethnicity and politics to achieve a common goal as national goals. As young people, you need to focus on being Ugandans other than segments based on minor attachments in order to realize economic transformation.
Enteekateeka ya patriotism ekatandika omwebembezi w'ihanga omu mwaka gw'2009 n'ekigendererwa ky'okuhugura eminyeeto hamwe n'abanya-Uganda boona. Amakuru aga gashakomate n'ebye aha bwa Sky TV ag'enshonga.